Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Start with the basics. In this video, I will explain how to cook quail eggs. First, gently place your quail eggs in a small saucepan, ensuring they are in a single layer. Then, cover them with about 1 inch of cold water. Bring the water to a rolling boil over high heat, then immediately remove the pan from the heat. Let the eggs stand in the hot water for 2 to 3 minutes, depending on your desired doneness. Finally, transfer them to an ice bath to halt the cooking process. Peeling quail eggs can be a bit tricky due to their delicate nature. A great tip is to gently tap the wider end of the egg to create a small crack, then roll it between your palms to loosen the shell all around. Peeling them under cold running water can also make the process much smoother. Once peeled, these tiny delights are perfect as a quick snack, added to salads, or used as an elegant garnish for soups and canapés. Frying quail eggs offers a different, equally delicious experience. Heat 1 teaspoon of butter or oil in a small non-stick pan over medium heat. Carefully crack each quail egg directly into the hot pan. Cook for 1 to 2 minutes for a beautifully runny yolk, or a bit longer for a firmer yolk. A simple pinch of salt and pepper seasons them perfectly. Serve these tiny fried eggs immediately, perhaps with toast or atop a savory dish. Quail eggs are also fantastic for scrambling or making miniature omelets. For scrambled eggs, whisk together about 6 to 8 quail eggs with 1 tablespoon of milk or cream and season with salt and pepper. Cook this mixture in a lightly buttered pan over medium-low heat, stirring gently until soft, fluffy curds form. If you prefer a small omelet, simply pour the whisked eggs into the pan and cook without stirring until it sets, then fold it over.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.